Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Yes, you all are very fine at your homes. See, we teachers have to ask question by herself also, and we are giving answer also, because we are missing you over here in the school. Okay. So, dear students, we already started chapter 2 and we finished also. Okay, so today we will do the exercise of the chapter, but before doing the exercise, first I will revise the chapter. I will tell you the whole summary of the chapter once again, then we will do the exercise. Okay. Yes, food. Yes, food. Khana. Food is very much necessary to all of us, whether it is human being, whether it is animals or plants. If we are living, if the things is living, then food is very, very much required. Okay, all living things need food and water. We all cannot survive without food and water. Why? Because we all are living. Okay, all the animals, human beings and the plants, these all are the living things, and we all need food to survive, or you can say we all need food to stay alive. हम सबको खाना जिंदा रहने के लिए ज़रूरी है, खाना और पानी. Okay, we cannot survive without food. Now I will ask some questions to you. Okay, then think and give me the answers. Okay, my first question is that when we will eat food, when we will eat food, I am giving you 1 minute time to think you. Okay, yes, when we will eat food. Question number 1, when we will eat food. Okay, I am giving you 1 minute time to think. I am waiting for your answers. Yes, correct. When we will feel hungry, then we eat food. Yes, dear students, when we will feel hungry, then we will eat food. Very good. It is correct answer. Now I am going to ask question number 2. Question number 2. Food gives us what? What is giving food to us? We can ask question in 2 ways. First way is food gives us what? खाना हमें क्या देता है? And what is giving food to us? Okay. Yes, I am waiting for your answers. Once again, I am giving you 1 minute time to think you all. When you will watch this video, then you will come to know about all these things. Yes, food give us energy to work and play. Food give us energy to work and play. Once again I will repeat the answer. Food give us energy to work and play, and it's help our body to growing well. It's help our body to growing well, and food keeps our body healthy and strong. Food keeps our body healthy and strong, and we we all are eating different kinds of food. See, we humans are never ever eating the same kinds of the food. We always eat different kinds of food. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि हम हर समय एक जैसा खाना खाएं. No, we always eat different kinds of food. Yes, in your chapter there are 3 categories of the food. There are 3 main category of the food. First one is energy giving food. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving food means when we will eat this type of food, when we will eat this type of food, then we will get the energy. When we will eat this type of food, then we will get energy. And name of the food are bread, potato, sugar, butter. In your book there are 4 energy giving food picture. First one is potato, second bread, butter and sugar. Okay, these are the names of the energy giving food. Energy means what? Energy means ताकत. Energy means ताकत. इन चीज़ों को खाने से हमें ताकत मिलती है. And number 2 is body building food. Body building food means when we will eat these types of food, then we will get the strong muscles. Okay, when we will eat the body building food, then we will have the strong muscles. Okay, muscles of your arms, muscles of your legs. Okay, so body building food makes our muscles strong. Okay, and the names of the body building foods are fish, milk, eggs and grain. Okay, there are 4 pictures of the body building food in your book, but you can find more pictures. You can find more pictures. Okay, here we will talk about only 4 pictures. First one is fish, second milk, eggs and the grains. Okay, these all are the body building food. When we will eat this, then we will get the energy, get the strength to grow up. Okay, and third one is protective food. Third one is protective food. The meaning of protective is that protect करना means किसी चीज की रक्षा करना. Okay, protect means to protect something. So all the protective food protect ourselves, protect human for diseases. All the protective food protect us from the diseases. From the diseases. Yes, जितनी भी प्रोटेक्टिव फूड है वो हमें बीमारियों से बचाते हैं. All the protective food save us from the diseases. And the name of the protective foods are vegetables, all types of vegetables. I am not talking about any particular vegetable over here. I am not talking about the potato and the ladyfinger also, because I know well these 2 are your favorite vegetables. Okay, so I am not talking about only these 2 vegetables. I am talking about all types of vegetables, all types of vegetables, all types of fruit. These 2 category of the protective food. And when we will eat all these vegetables, all these fruits, then definitely we will not fall sick. Okay. Then we talked about the balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet means we should always eat different items or different time. That makes a balanced diet. जब हम सारी अलग अलग चीज़ों को अलग अलग टाइम पर खाते हैं तो it makes a balanced diet. See, when we will wake up in the morning, then definitely we start our day. We elders start our day with the tea, and you all are the child, so you are starting your day with the milk. Yes, when you will wake up after doing the brushing, you always have the glass of milk. Okay, then your breakfast time. Okay, and in your breakfast you always eat the healthy food like poha, upma, idli and dosa. I think this is the healthy breakfast. Okay, then take the lunch and involve salad in your lunch. So this is the proper combination of the balanced diet. This is the proper combination of the balanced diet. And when you will have your lunch, try to include curd and buttermilk in your lunch. Try to include salad, buttermilk and curd in your lunch. So this is the proper perfect combination of a balanced diet. Okay, then we talked about the water. Yes, we have to drink plenty of water in a day, or we have to drink at least 8 glasses in a day or more than 8 glasses in a day. Okay, why your parents are forcing you to drink plenty of waters? Because all the waste material of our body going out from the urine and the sweat. Okay, so always drink plenty of water. Then please involve salad in your diet. Involve salad in your diet. Then we talked about the meal time. Yes, we all are having at least 3 meals in a day. First one is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. Your breakfast should be heavy and healthy, and lunch little bit light rather than the breakfast, and your dinner is lighter rather than the lunch and the breakfast. Okay, then we learnt about where does food comes from. Food comes from, कहाँ से? खाना तो हम खाते हैं, बट वो खाना हमें कैसे मिलता है, कहाँ से मिलता है? Where does food come from? कहाँ से आता है? So there are 2 type of sources of food. First one is plants. And second one is animals. We are getting food from 2 main sources. First one is plant, second one is animals. Yes, we are getting all types of vegetable from the plants only. We are getting all types of fruits from the plant only. We are getting all types of grains, nuts, pulses, rice, wheat, all types of cereals from the plants only. And we are getting milk and milk product and meat from the animals only. Yes, there are 2 main sources of the food. First one is plant, second one is animals. We are getting all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, all types of grains or cereals from the plants only. And second, animals, we are getting milk, and milk, by using milk we can get all the milk product, then the eggs and the meat and all honey and and all these things we are getting from the animals only. Then the smart eating habit. Smart eating habit. Yes, dear students, smart eating habit means you have to wash your hands after and before every meal. Once again I will repeat this line. You have to wash your hands after and before every meal. But nowadays coronavirus is going on. That's why we all are washing our hands within proper time. Okay, then always take your meals at proper time. Always take your meals at proper time. Always eat your food slowly and chew it well. Okay, then don't waste the food and drink plenty of water throughout the day. बहुत सारा पानी आपको पीना ही है. And brush your teeth twice in a day. Brush your teeth twice in a day. Then we talked about how food reaches us. How food reaches us. खाना हमें आता तो है बट कैसे पहुंचता है हम तक. Okay, so yes, we can understand this thing by seeing all these pictures. I will show the pictures. Yes, first picture. This is the picture of farmer. Farmer is growing the crops. Then farmer grow crops in the field. When the crops are ripe, they are cut. Yes. And picture number 2, grains are kept into sacks. बोरे में भरी जाती है. Then the sacks are taken to the market and shopkeeper buy them and take to the shops. Then your mama and papa will go to shopkeeper and shopkeeper sells the food to the pupil. और जो दुकान वाला होता है वो सारा का सारा फूड लोगों को बेचता है. Then food is cooked at home for us to eat. और इस तरह हमें खाने को मिलता है. फर्स्ट फार्मर ग्रोज द क्रॉप्स. फार्मर क्रॉप्स को फसल को उगाते हैं, फिर वो पकती है, हम उसे फार्मर काटता है. देन उसके बाद उसे क्लीन करके बोरों में रखते हैं. देन शॉपकीपर को सेल करते हैं. उसके बाद योर पेरेंट्स बाय फ्रॉम द मार्केट. देन ममा विल कुक food for you. So this is the entire process of the food, and food reaches us by this entire process, and this process is very very long. Okay, then we done the new words of the chapter. Now it's time to solve the exercise of the chapter. First we will do this. Take the correct answer. First we will do this. Take the correct answer. When you will write, please write neat and clean. Okay, first you have to mention the chapter number, then write the name of the chapter, then your heading will come. And whenever you will write, please mention date over there. Okay, and don't forget to fill the index. Index is very important part of the notebook. Okay, so first you will write the chapter number, then the name of the chapter, and third line. Line number 3 you will write the heading of the chapter. Okay, then you will start writing. So yes, number 1, take the correct answer. Now I am going to solve number 1. This one, fruits and vegetables are food which we, yes, This one we will solve. Number 1. Fruits and vegetables are food which are, now I will write the options. You have 3 options over here. You have 3 options over here. Okay. Yes, one is energy giving. Okay. And number B, protective. And number C, bodybuilding. Yes, fruits and vegetables are food which we gets what? Is this energy giving food? It gives us energy? No. Is this protective food? Yes, when we will eat all types of vegetables and all types of fruits, then it protects our body from the diseases. So option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So put the tick mark in this circle. Okay. Now I am going to write number 2. Which one is the first meal of the day? Which one is the first meal of the day? Okay. What is the first meal of the day? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. What is the first meal of the day? Lunch? No. Then dinner? No. Then what is the correct answer? Yes. Number 2. Which one is the first meal of the day? Meal means दिन का पहला खाना कौन सा होता है? So first meal of this lunch? No. Dinner? No. Then option A is your correct answer. Breakfast is the first meal of the. Yes, dear students. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. दिन का पहला खाना breakfast होता है. Okay. When you will come to school, that time you are having your first meal of the day. It means your short break in the school. So when you will come to school, then your short break is your first meal of the day. Okay. So breakfast is the right answer. Put the right in the circle. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. Then number 3. Which one is non vegetarian food? Which one is non-vegetarian food? इनमें से कौन सा नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड है? So your option is number A, bread. Number B, rice. And number C, fish. So which answer is right? Which one is non-vegetarian food? Which one is non-vegetarian food? Option A, bread. Option B, rice, and option C, fish. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Fish. Okay, so put the tick mark in option 3. Okay, I am giving you time to complete the notebook. When you will watch this video, please keep pencil and notebook and book with you, so you can write there and there only. Okay, this you have to note in your notebook. ये आपको कॉपी में लिखना है. This you have to write in your notebook. You have to write in the notebook. आपको इसे कॉपी में लिखना है. Okay. When you will write, start citing with chapter number, then the chapter name, then the heading. Okay. And your heading is tick the correct answer. Your heading is tick the correct answer. Then starts writing. And don't forget the rule of the writing. Always starts writing with the capital letter. Okay. Now I hope that you have done this. Then we will do the next. I am going to rub this. Then we will do the next exercise of the chapter. Okay. Yes, I am going to rub. Whenever you will watch this video, please maintain your EVS notebook very properly, as like you was maintaining at class 1. Okay, don't be lazy. Write it very properly with good handwriting. Yes, now we will solve this exercise number 2. Sir, दिख रही है? This exercise number 2. Match the food item with their sources. Match the food items with their sources. The meaning of this heading is you have to see all the food items. You have to see all the food items. सारे food item आपको देखने हैं. आपको उसको उसके source से match करने हैं. आपको वो चीज़ कौन है, who is giving you that food, you have to match. Okay. Now picture number 1 is, this exercise is very much, I am not doing on smart board. Okay, I am not doing smart board. You have to do this exercise in book only. आपको सिर्फ इसको किताब में ही करना है. Okay. Now first picture, first here food and sources. What is written over here? Number 1 food and second sources. Yes, picture number 1 is honey. Picture number 1 is honey, and we are getting honey from honey bee. So you have to match honey with honey bee. And number 2 meat. Yes, you will get the meat from the goats. So you have to match this meat with goats. Number 3 milk. We all are getting milk from the cow and buffalo. Here picture of cow is given, so you have to match milk from the cow. Then the bread. Yes, we are getting bread from the wheat, so you have to match this. Then last picture of eggs. Eggs you have to match from the hen. Honey to honeybee, meat with goat, milk with cow, bread with wheat, and egg with hen. Okay, so this is your exercise number 2. You no need to write in the notebook. Exercise number 2 and exercise number 3 you have to solve in the book only. आपको exercise number 2 और 3 को सिर्फ और सिर्फ बुक में ही solve करना है. Okay. Yes. Now we will solve the exercise number 3. Yes. complete the words. Complete the words. It means here some words are missing. Here some words are missing. You have to complete the words. आपको उस words को complete करना है. Yes, number 1. I am going to write number 1. We need food when we feel what? So H is written over here. What is written? H is written over here. We need food when we feel what? हमें खाने की जरूरत कब होती है? We need food when we eat. When we feel what? We feel hungry. When we feel hungry, we eat food. Okay? Yes. So here we will write the spelling of hungry. Here we will write the spelling of hungry. Okay? H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. So this word H is written already over here. You have to write U-N-G-R-Y. So you will get the complete word hungry. We need food when we feel hungry. जब हमें भूख लगती है हम खाना खाते हैं. Okay. Then I am going to write number 2. Food gives us eat. Up. Number 2. Food gives us eat. So what is written over here? Only E is written over here. यहाँ पर सिर्फ और सिर्फ E लिखा है. So you have to complete the word. You have to complete the word. Why? Because your heading is complete the word. आपकी heading क्या है? Complete the words. So you, E is written over here. You have to complete this. Yes. So we will write the spelling of energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. To work and play. Yes, food gives us energy to work and play. खाना हमें ताकत देता है किस चीज की? खेलने की और काम करने की. So you have to write the spelling of energy over here. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. When you will repeat the spellings again and again, so you will learn there and there only. Okay? So try to learn all these spellings. And number 3. A balanced diet keeps us H. What is written in question number 3? A balanced diet keeps us what? H is written over here. So you have to think which word will start from the H and then you have to complete the word. When a balanced diet keeps us what? A balanced diet keeps us healthy. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. Okay. So what I will write over here, I will complete this word by writing the spelling of healthy. Okay. Yes. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. So H is already written over here. You have to write E-A-L-T-H-Y. So you will get the complete word healthy. 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 Yes. Now number 4. Water helps. Water helps in the digestion of F. Yes, water helps in the digestion of F. So dear student, you have to think the word which is starts with F. Yes, once again I will read this. Water helps us in the digestion of what? So water help us to digest the food. जितना भी हम पानी पिएंगे, your parents always forcing you to drink plenty of water. See, when we will drink lots of water, then definitely whatever we are eating, it digested properly. So our stomach will not ache, है ना? So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is food, and F is written over here. So we will write only double O and D. Double O and D. So we will get the complete word FOOD, food. Yes. So this sentence is completed. Water helps in the digestion of food. Then I am going to write number 5. We should yes, take a light what? So D is written over here. We should take a light D. So which word will start with D? You have to think. And when we read about the meals of the day, then we have read about this word. This word is dinner. This word is dinner. We should take a light dinner. Yes, our breakfast should be heavy and healthy. Then lunch is little light rather than the breakfast, and dinner is the most light rather than the lunch and the breakfast. Okay, breakfast is the first meal of the day, so it should be very heavy and healthy. दिन का पहला खाना है, इसलिए बहुत भारी और ज़्यादा भी खाएंगे, हेल्दी खाएंगे चलेगा. देन उसके बाद लंच लिटिल लाइट, और देन लास्ट डिनर. लास्ट मील ऑफ द डे, रात का आखिरी या दिन का आखिरी खाना जो है वो डिनर होता है. तो वी हैव टू टेक ऑलवेज वेरी लाइट. So we will write the spelling of dinner. Yes. So D is already written over there. So we will complete the spelling with write I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. So we will get the proper word. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R, dinner. So dear students, today we solve these 3 exercises. First one is tick the correct answer. This exercise, tick the correct answer, you have to write in the notebook very properly. Exercise number 1, tick the correct answer. This one you have to write in the notebook. Exercise number 2, match the food item with their sources. No need to write in the notebook. इसे आपको कॉपी में लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Then exercise number C, complete the words. No need to write. Do in book only. You have to solve this exercise in the book only. No need to write in the notebook. Then when we will meet in next lecture, then we will solve the question and answers. This part, question and answer, you have to write in the notebook. Okay, so I am giving you 1 or 2 minutes to complete this. Then we will meet picture. Okay, or you can take the screenshot. Ma'am, please click the button. Okay, so it's over from my side. Thank you and keep study at home. जब यहाँ कोई नहीं रहता ना तो मेरा कंसंट्रेशन बहुत अच्छा होता है, और जब बहुत सारे लोग